Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. Back on the V10 truck for a while. V10 being converted over to a Cummins. Been doing brake lines and electrical, under hood and to the back electrical, getting all that run. But these are the brake lines here that I took off from it. This truck only been in the state up here for about 3 years, and man, they're just started rusting right out. Right there's where a leak was at. Believe it or not, this is the one that went behind the fuel tank. That's where they usually go up here. Got all the emissions stuff off from it. Don't need that. That's the AC compressor that come off from this unit. Had to literally bust it apart just to get it off. It was so corroded. The bolts broke right off. That was something else. Got rid of the fuel line. All of that. Got the new brake lines laid up in here. They turned out pretty good. This is the right side. Run it all the way across. Left side coming across. Got them all right back in their hangers. Well, they laid in there pretty good. I remember when this truck first come up here, this frame on this truck was factory black still. Wasn't rusty like this. We're gonna get some coating on it for him. Get this stuff stopped. This truck come with a 2-wheel ABS, so we'll get it all done. Everything bled out pretty good. We'll give them a good bleed out again once we get the engine and stuff in. But that's the next thing. Putting the engine down in her. Hopefully can have that done this week. Get the engine down in, transmission and stuff. But be showing you a startup over here right shortly. So y'all have a great day. We'll see you around, and be safe out there. Thank you much. Bye.